feeling us to fear again. Man.
Europe, can you play Reaper? You're pretty good at it.
Remix, could you play Reinhardt and I play Winston?
Howdy.
You guys want me to play Zen? Or, oh.
No. We need mana.
Is this
We have the guard.
okay?
JC,
Do you guys have a certain day you do laundry? No, we have laundry in our own apartments. Oh. Team doing work. Big Daddy Europe doing stuff.
Yeah, like if we kill their Reaper, defer PPS will
Yeah, Monty Black.
My ultimate is ready.
Make sure
Oh shit. Ha! Well, if we don't use stuff, maybe.
This life's never uneventful.
Helden sterben nicht.
I almost.
you guys want me to sound barrier in?
Yo, Dino cookie. I'm good.
I'm resorting to payload. Let's keep it moving.
Manga through killing everybody with monkey. Feels good.
Let's start over at the beginning. Made.
I got mid.
And thanks to our mentioned the Atlanta thing games. Thanks for cheering for us.
I'm sitting right here with my ult.
Sure, how to get them. Rip. Crazy knows I'm here, I think. I should have been able to stun that thing.
Saddle again.
Did we get any Korean food in Atlanta? Guess I missed out. Gonna have plenty of that soon though. Almost thought I would survive. Our team is doing work. Nice.
Nice job, guys.
60 seconds.
Good call on the swap, buddy.
The payload has been
Sorry, Hakito. Sorry, man.
Oh, I have some.
My ultimate is charging.
If anyone doesn't know, I'm going to Korea in like 8 hours. Chipper should probably as well.
Winston on the right, Winston on the right.
I knew it. What? Ha! The meter sign disappeared.
I'm gonna go May.
Score
You
3-0.
guys wants to play Winston?
Switching
Okay.
sides.
We still need a Winston, but I'm gonna be playing May.
Prepare your
We can play
defense.
one of Lucio as the god of
Hit her, right?
supports. Are you okay with playing Lucio? Or Winston, sorry?
What's up?
Actually, I found out when I was in Atlanta. I actually decayed
Never mind.
points. I lost like 30 points due to not having played for a week.
I can play.
On it.
I can May as well. I don't know.
What would you consider better?
I probably have played May a lot more.
I think what Mccree is doing is the key to
Winston's that hard.
high ranks. Being a nice person,
Yeah,
Just a second.
talking to the team,
I don't have a Zarya, so I'm not.
being flexible in what, like asking people what they want to play, being nice.
If we ever do gauge, focus on the diversity they have. If not, focus on random. It's like finding fields for around the
Shields around what?
when like you hear the sleep dart, there's like a little bit of a delay before it comes out. So when you hear it, just drop your shield.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
Alright.
Doesn't feel
It's
right.
like weird audio cues.
No, I know.
Though, if you notice it.
Fucking monkey, bro. I can hear miles.
Yeah, I guess being in the losing streak.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Stop the payload.
I have found
Three on the
Someone else. Seems fitting it'd be me. Quit poking.
Ready to start a blizzard.
Oh shit. Oh. Why did I miss the Lucian? Yo, Scarlet. Appreciate the kind words.
I have sound barrier if you guys want to.
Yeah, I have monkey. No, it's my fault.
Yo, Mustang. Guess we had for a decent amount of time.
I have monkey ult. How close are you to
Ultimate's
May?
ready.
I'm only gonna be using the ult if they're in ult.
My ultimate is ready.
Oh, chicken roll. What's up with you, man?
Reinhardt?
We should have another time to defend.
Dead eyes.
We don't wipe them all. I got forward, man.
Those another Chipshajen at work. Monkey doing what he's supposed to, just being on that Anna. How do I think NA versus how do I think Koreans do versus NA/EU? I was thinking we would be strong.
Into the iris.
Easy. Don't worry, boys. I got it.
We had played some teams before, like LW Red, Luxury Watch Red, and we beat them. But they didn't even qualify for this tournament we're playing, so maybe we hadn't been fighting the best ones.
Yeah, I got like 20 points for that.
Hey.
Risa, thank you for the sub.
Play of the match.
Yeah. I think Chips is...
Appreciate it a lot. Oh no, this is where I missed the Rusha.